Hello, I'm Kaylee Obrak from Pollinator Partnership, and welcome back to our Working for Wildlife video series. In this episode, we're going to talk about riparian buffers, how to implement buffers on your land, and the potential cost share and technical support available to help you meet your goals. A riparian buffer is a corridor of diverse plants located along a stream, river, or other body of water. Riparian buffers are used to reduce the transport of sediment, contaminants, and nutrients into surface water, while protecting and enhancing habitat for fish and other aquatic organisms. Buffers can be forested or herbaceous. Riparian forested buffers are primarily composed of trees and shrubs, with some grasses and flowering plants acting as understory species. The trees and shrubs in a riparian buffer are usually installed via bare root seedlings rather than seeds because there is a higher chance of establishment and survival. Riparian herbaceous cover, on the other hand, is composed entirely of grasses and flowering plants, and does not include any woody species. Riparian herbaceous cover can be installed via plugs or seeds, depending on the scale and site conditions of a project. For both riparian forested buffers and riparian herbaceous cover, at least one full season of site preparation is required to remove undesirable vegetation via mowing, burning, herbicide application, and other methods. It may also be necessary to correct serious erosion problems, and in some cases, install exclusionary fencing to keep livestock out of the project area. There are a wide variety of benefits that result from planting a riparian buffer. The first benefit is the protection of water quality and watershed health. The deep roots of native trees, shrubs, grasses, and flowering plants trap and filter nutrients from fertilizer or livestock waste that would otherwise run off into surface water. Established root systems also hold the soil in place, which prevents stream bank and soil erosion, stops the transport of sediment from runoff, and mitigates the impacts of flooding. Riparian buffers also provide corridors and habitat for a variety of wildlife, and forested buffers provide shade and cooler water temperatures, which is vital for fish and other aquatic organisms. Landowners also benefit from riparian buffers. By holding the soil in place, riparian buffers stop erosion on and from agricultural fields. Riparian buffers can also be planted with a variety of native fruit and nut trees, which provides added benefit to the farmer in the form of extra income or a food source. Riparian buffers, including native flowering trees, shrubs, or herbaceous plants, also support pollinating insects like bees and flower flies, which can increase the quality and quantity of yields for pollinator-benefited crops. They also support beneficial insects that help control common crop pests and can reduce the need for insecticide. Lastly, riparian buffers' ability to mitigate flooding can protect adjacent croplands from severe flood damage. There are several programs available to help qualifying landowners and producers plan and fund riparian buffer installations. Federal Farm Bill programs such as the Environmental Quality Incentives Program, Conservation Stewardship Program, and the Conservation Reserve Program are commonly used to help landowners implement this practice. For a more in-depth look at EQIP, CSP, and CRP, check out our first 3 videos in the series where we go over what these programs are and how they might be utilized on your property. In addition to the federal programs available, programs through the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, state wildlife agencies, and the local county and soil water conservation districts may be able to provide cost share and technical support to landowners. Your regional P2 partner biologist and NRCS staff will be able to help you find local programs that will work for you. Thank you for joining us for this installment of P2's Working for Wildlife series. This video was made by Pollinator Partnership with assistance from the Natural Resources Conservation Service. This series is made possible through support from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and the Natural Resources Conservation Service. If you want to learn more about the on-farm benefits of pollinator habitat and how to support pollinators on your farm, please visit us at pollinator.org. To learn more about Farm Bill technical and financial assistance opportunities, contact one of P2's partner biologists at pollinator.org/NRCS partner biologists, or simply visit farmers.gov. All links can be found in the description box below. Subscribe to the Working for Wildlife email list for information about upcoming events and to ensure you never miss a new video.